All right, everybody. Welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. All right, folks. As y'all seen, we've got the garden planned out, our boxes, what's going to go where. So we got our seeds ready for call this one. This will be the sun garden, and then we get the bigger one will be the swamp garden. But we got all our seeds out, ready to go. I don't really have a preference on seeds. I go get some that I've had experience with. Everybody's got their own that they prefer to use. If you have any good suggestions, drop a comment. And be sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Welcome. We do everything outdoors. So, we got our cucumber seeds that we're going to have. We'll start with box number one. So, we got the cayenne chili peppers that we're going to do, which are these ones. We've already got habanero plants in the ground. Over here, we're going to do bell peppers, which we've got our bell peppers ready to go right here. Then our cucumbers, pickle bush. We like to slice those too and eat them, and we like pickles a lot, so use those as canned pickles. We're going to do some red onions, which we've got our red onions ready to go right there. We got some tomatoes that we're going to do. So over here, we're going to do the beefsteak tomatoes, which are right here ready to go. And then our zucchini, right here, ready to go. And then our cabbage, right here as well, ready to go. And then our squash, which is right here and ready to go. All these are smaller packs of seeds. They're not the family size or value size, whatever it may be you like to call them. They got the more seeds in them because these are smaller in-ground boxes, or raised boxes, I should say, whatever you call them. All right, folks, we're going to get these seeds sowed. We're going to start them in containers, and then a couple weeks or whatever, we're going to put them in the ground. All right, it's time to get our hands dirty. All right, y'all. Quick update. We got our containers filled with some soil, some compost, and in-ground soil, 50-50 mix. So, as y'all can see, here's our garden. Leaves are falling like crazy. But, as y'all seen in the last update a couple days ago, we got all these tilled up. Got them in a quick row. Nothing crazy or special. We got all our labels here that we made up for the sun garden. All right, y'all. We got all our labels made. We got quite a bit out here ready to go. These our little cups. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, I believe. So, fixing to get all these seeds put in the containers. Wet it down a little bit. And pray for some success for our upcoming growing season. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe, folks. Help the algorithm. All right, everybody. I'll give y'all an update on the sun garden in I'll do it about a week from now. So today's Wednesday. I don't know what the date is. One second here. Today's the 21st. So a week from today. All right, everybody. God bless. Be ready for anything wild.